how I wash my face every night. Instead of just telling you guys, I figured I'd show you. So I'm going to take off what little makeup I still have on. I'm going to use the moisturizing exfoliator. I use it twice a day. I use it once in the morning to wash my face, to get it ready for the day, and then I wash it again at night with this to take off my makeup. And it works amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my face wet, and then as you can see, I have the spoon. It's the perfect size for the big exfoliators too, and it helps me have self-control, which I do not have. So hang in here with me. So just get my face wet with the water. You want to try and use like a lukewarm water, not a hot water, because hot water will zap your skin of the moisture. I get about this much, so that's like perfect amount for your face. You can always use less, but that's about what I use. And the nice thing is with the spoon, you're not digging into your product. So I just massage it between my hands, and then I apply it to my face all over. And it just helps to remove the dull, dry, dead skin cells. And it's also dermatologist approved to use it on the face. So you can see I have some redness. I'm pretty sure it's rosacea. It helps with that. And then another thing with rosacea too, I've noticed having like no makeup days helps too. And then as you can see, I'm using it on my eyes. It takes off my waterproof mascara. It's very gentle because of the sugar. If you were to look at it under a microscope, the sugar has rounded edges. It's not squared off like salt is, so it's very gentle on the skin. And it's barely even exfoliating anymore. I'm sure I look like quite the sight right now. Mascara all over my face. But it takes it right off. I like just to kind of rub my fingernail and make sure it's all off real good. And then I'm just going to rinse it off. Make sure it got everywhere. Hairs in my face. Oh yeah, that's cute. Huh? So again, just lukewarm water. And then just rinse it off really good. And then the next step I'm going to do, after I do this, I'm going to pat dry. Pat dry makes a huge difference. It's something simple, but it really helps keep the moisture on your skin instead of transferring it to the towel. These are all things I've learned along the way. So here's the new washcloth I've been talking about. It's awesome. It's thick. It's super absorbent. It's made with 100% bamboo. And so you just pat dry. All over. Just pat dry. Okay. And then it's got a tab on it so I can hang it to dry in between use, which is what you want to do to help prevent bacteria from forming on it. And if you're on the newsletter, you probably saw the email I just sent out last week about you want to have a designated towel just for your face because you don't want to transfer bodily bacteria onto your face. And the neat thing too about the bamboo is it's naturally antimicrobial and antibacterial. So I use that to dry my face. My next step is I just use an alcohol-free witch hazel, which I just squirt into the palm of my hand. I swear by this stuff. It's like my secret weapon. You can use a cotton ball to apply it, but I like to just squirt it into my hand. And just massage it all over. So what this does is it helps to tone and tighten the pores, and it also moisturizes. And because my skin is super dry, I've noticed if I don't use the moisturizing exfoliator first, this stuff, my skin doesn't like it. I have to use the exfoliator first with the moisturizer and then use the witch hazel. Otherwise it's too drying on my skin. If you have oily skin, your skin might be perfectly fine using it alone, but that is what I found my skin likes. And then my last step, so this is my nighttime routine, it's 3 steps, and I repeat the same exact thing in the morning, is my cream. I'm scraping right now, but I still have plenty, so just a little bit goes a long way. That's probably plenty. So when I say pea size, I literally mean a pea size, and you're just gonna barely scrape the top. And you just wanna massage it all over your face. So what's nice about this is it doubles for daytime moisturizer, nighttime moisturizer. And just massage it into your skin really good. In the morning, if you use too much, it can make your skin look oily. So just back off on how much you're using. I'm actually going to use a little bit more because, like I said earlier, I have no self-control. And it's nighttime, so I'm just going to let it soak in. Another neat thing about the mango butter is it's full of healthy fat for the skin. So I've had lots of people come forward and say that it helped plump their fine lines. So I'm like, putting it on the neck, which is my next step actually. I've been trying to get more in the habit of that. I'm gonna be 35 next month, so I'm really trying to make a conscious effort to take care of this area too, because this area, the neck and the décolletage, they all show signs of aging first. So there you have it. That is my nighttime skincare routine.